Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna do an unboxing and it's gonna be about Dior. It's one of the newest mini bag that I gotten from Dior. So I'm pretty excited because it's like my first Dior bag purchase. And yeah, this caught my eye. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So I got this Dior bag from Marina Bay Sands. The sales assistant was super friendly. I asked them what's the different type of mini bags that they have, and they showed me a range, and I gotten the smallest one because I really love mini bags. Into the unboxing. It comes in this thing that actually tie up and I remove it. Okay. I gotten it from Baby Dior because I really love small bag and I actually seen this online for quite a while already. So I thought like why not get it, because I've been looking around for it and it's super cute. Can you guys guess what it is? So I'm gonna show you guys a close-up of the whole unboxing. So yeah, you guys can get a better idea and the details of what to expect. And they actually give wrap it for me as well. So yeah. So that's how the box looks like. Super pretty. And it comes with the whole nice ribbons and everything as well, which is really cute. So that's how they give wrap it. It comes in this Baby Dior if you buy from their baby section. And the bag is really cute, so let's untie it together. Let's open it up. And there you have it, the Dior dust bag, and the bag that I purchased is inside. I really like how much effort they put in the whole bubble wrap to make sure that it's safely secure. So this is the bag that I gotten, super adorable. And yeah, I'll show you guys a close-up of the whole details right now. So this is how the bag looks like. There's the Dior here. And the Dior monogram is a really small bag. It's called the Dior baby ball bag. I haven't removed the tag as well. So cute, and comes with this zipper that says Dior at the side as well. And they have the Dior logo in front, but the bag doesn't have it. And there's a sling where you can sling it on as well. So yeah, I'll open it up and show you guys right now. So basically the inside looks something like this. It comes with a strap. It's nicely wrapped as well. I will probably tear it off and use it soon. So yeah. So I just took out the sling and clip it on to show you guys. The strap is actually adjustable, like here. And yeah, inside I'll show you guys. We have the warranty card from Dior. Yep. So the warranty comes with this Christine Dior card. So it shows where you purchase it from, and you can like get it like fixed within a year. The warranty lasts for a year, ask the person if anything drops out or whatever not. So it's great to keep it around. And inside it comes with this stuffing, which I think I'll keep as well, so that it will like keep the bag in shape when you are using it. So let's take it out. So that's basically how big it is. Comes with this care card as well to show you like how to use it and care for it. And inside over here it says Christine Dior, made in Italy. It's a very cute small and dainty bag. You can place your card holder here. And I think I'll usually just carry my makeup in here, which is super cute. I think it's like just the right size for me. It's super adorable. It costs around like $1,900. And that's how much I gotten it for. I'll show you guys how to style it now. So yeah, let's get right into the fashion styling part. So basically, if you like to carry like things sideways like me, you can carry it like this, which is really adorable. That's the longest I can like kind of make it go. Like as you can see, the straps over here is adjustable. And it's so adorable. Like if you place it like this, it's super cute as well. I think it's just like the right length, like right above my bum, which I like. I don't like things to hit on my bum when I walk. So yeah, you can carry it like this. Or you can carry it like this, which is really cute as well. It's like two-way. Or if you do not like the strap, you can just carry it as a round small thing like that on your hand. It can be used like as a makeup pouch or whatever not, which is like super adorable. So yeah. really depends on like how you want to style it. And if you want, you can always get like a longer strap to go with it as well. I'm sure like Dior have accessory styles where you can like get longer strap to get it adjusted. I think it's super adorable. So yeah, that's basically how it looks like. So what do you guys think? Thank you for watching it to the end. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Do let me know what you guys think about the Dior bag, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!